Welcome, Arithmetic Ninjas, to question 24. And we're adding some fractions that do not have common denominators. So we need to have a common denominator. Need a common denominator. That's the case if you're subtracting fractions as well. When you're multiplying fractions, you don't actually need a common denominator because you just do top times top, bottom times bottom. But if we're adding or subtracting fractions, we need to have a common denominator. So you can't just double the 2 to get 5. That doesn't work because double 2 is 4 and we need it to be 5. So we may have, there's no easy way of changing the 2 into the 5. So we may have to change both of them this time. So what number can we think of that both 2 and 5 go into? Well, 10 would work. 2 goes into 10, 5 goes into 10. 20 would work. 2 goes into 20, 10 times. 5 goes into 20, 4 times. It really doesn't matter, although it is advisable to make life easy for yourself by keeping the common denominator as low as you can. So I'm going to go for 10. They both go into 10. So I'm going to make them both out of 10. To get from 2 to 10 is times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So 1 times 5 is 5. So a half is the same as 5/10. And now for the fifth, to get from 5 to 10 is times by 2. And whatever you do to the denominator, you must also do to the numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/5 is 2/10. Now we've got them as the same denominator. It's like saying 5 apples add 2 apples would be 7 apples. 5 oranges add 2 oranges would be 7 oranges. It's like oranges is the unit that we're dealing with. Apples would be the unit we're dealing with. 5 helicopters add 2 helicopters is 7 helicopters. 5 giraffes add 2 giraffes is 7 giraffes. So 5/10 add 2/10 is basically going to be 7/10. The unit we're dealing with is tenths. So final answer, 7/10.